Morning, Penny. Are you drinking the soy milk that you must drink every morning?
Yeah, let's hold a smart and beautiful day.
Have you ever been curious about why the soy milk you drink every day always advertised as non-genetic modification?
I really haven't thought about that. It makes sense for you to say that.
Genetic engineering is used in many fields, but even though medical applications, like using the immune cells for treatment to fight against the cancer, the debates heat up when it comes to food and culture. Why does something treated so differently?
Today, we are going to show you the facts, the figures, some examples, and the future of GMO.
What is GMOs? GMO is modern molecular biotechnology in terms of genetic modification. In terms of people goals need in terms of nutritional quality, so as to from food that can be eaten directly or processed in
Let's take an easy example of tomatoes. The Martin lab is particularly interested in phenolic compounds present in fruit and vegetables. They have cultivated the purple tomato with very high level phenolic. Combining the use of transcription factors, biosynthetic genes of natural tomato mutants, which take 15 years to pass the safety assignment and proof of sale. The purple tomato was born to improve the nutritional value and expected to come out officially in 2023.
Next, we are going to show you the pros and cons of GMO. First, the advantage of GMO is to increase the crop yield and to satisfy the gradually increasing demand.
Second, the GMO foodstuffs are able to decrease the chances of being harmed by pests and also keep strong and pleasant to the eye.
Third, their food has been reformed. They have a larger size and good looking. It may also be tastier and more attractive. But have you ever thought about whether they will have unpredictable states behind these simply flawless things?
So, we are going to show you next are the hidden dangers of GMO.
First, let's take a simple example. If one day the corn was genetically modified, the pets of corn may have nothing to eat and their mouths will drop as a result.
Second, there are many uncertainties in this situation, including the unknown harmfulness of human bodies. And for the vegetarian, whenever they absorb the food that has been biological genetic modification, if the food can still be called vegetarian.
Third, the GMO creatures may deprive native plants' living environment, the whole food chain, and also the biodiversity.
As time goes by, genetic modification has become an influential technology. The future of GMO is not only to overcome hidden worries, but also achieve ecological balance. Maybe we can create genetic banks and related policies like Norway. When we are dealing with various ecological impacts, genetic banks are the best means of agricultural survival.
Through our introduction, we hope everyone can truly understand the genetic modification. In the rapid of their development, technology and humanity treats as benefit as the only one.
The thing we should do is to return the seeds to their natural, return people to their natural.
If you control oil, you control all countries. If you control food, you control all people. This shows the huge impact of food on human beings.
The thing we should do is to learn about what we eat and the technology of genetic modification.
Only by understanding it can we respond to chance. That's all we are going to show you.
We are smart.
Thanks for listening.
Wow, that was very interesting and very informative. Again, I think I've learned a lot. But do you think, would you suggest that if it's good for us to really eat food that is genetically modified?
I think it's great because in the development of the world, the genetically modification food they can resolve many problems like they can increase the food yield and also be more nutritional value.
Is it healthier, do you think?
It's hard to say that, but I think through the development it will be less. It will be more good for people.
Yeah, it's really helpful for the farmers as well, for those who are really, we develop it, right? People, scientists develop it. In Taiwan, there's a lot already. You can see big papayas, they're mostly, I think, GMO. But eventually something will happen, but you just have to balance, right?
Yeah.
I'm so happy with your topic, girls, and you really made your research very well. And I think you just have to be more conscious of the way you deliver. Like, for example, there's stuff, I think the pronunciation wasn't very clear for me. So I think that you need to improve that. But overall, your topic was good and you delivered it well. We were able to send your message to the audience, right? So congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.